Good morning, friends. Today I am going to discuss very fantastic topic about the IQ and EQ. EQ and IQ. What is EQ? EQ. So this is a very good idea to share with you if you are a safety professional, if you have working in any industry and any organization as a every professional, so you should aware about these things because of this is a very good things to implement and emotionally touch your heart toward the toward the your professional. So guys, EQ means emotional quotient or emotional intelligence is the ability to identify, assess and control of emotions on self and other of group that call emotional quotients. Emotional quotients that calls. So for examples we are going to evaluate that, then understanding, assessing and controlling on your emotions during the work that call IQ levels. After that, EQ levels. IQ means, what is definitions of IQ? An intelligence quotient is score derived from one several standardized test designed assessed by intelligence. Example: intelligent quotient means logical level empowers yourself by heart, that call IQ levels. Ability, what is ability to IQ levels and EQ levels? IQ means identify, evaluate and express one on emotional facilities and thinking, understanding emotional means. Again, ability IQ, ability to learn, understand, apply informations, logical reasoning, comprehensive math skills, abstract and spiritual trainings, filters, irrigations, filter irrelevations, informations by the EQ, IQ, intelligence quotients levels. If you are working a safety if any professional job, then how to identifications, how to improvements in your workplace IQ and EQ and IQ levels. EQ means emotional quotients means teamwork. If a emotional quotient means they have doing the work by teamwork with a good leadership and communicate to others things and take a decisions and good manners of leadership, and then that will be they have success to our your workplace and relation service oriented and initiative collaborations with all persons, junior levels and senior levels, well collaborations to the improve a good cultures and good environment at workplace and success the peoples by teamwork and leadership. Same workplace you can intelligence quotient means success with the challenging task. Intelligence, if someone's working and you're professional, if you have a safety professional, if you have engineers, then success with challenging task by go through the intelligent quotient by challenge the any task toward the work as a professional. Ability to analyze and conduct the dots means that person's available to analyze the contact and dots and research and development itself to improvement your career growth. So guys, both are a very fantastic to achievement and success in your life if you are if you are going through IQ and EQ levels. Identify EQ levels and IQ levels. IQ levels in emotional quotient means a good leaders and team players that may be player the teams with safe manners and motivate to others teamwork and individual based work along with all entire teams. Individual with social challenging a EQ level emotional quotients persons also make a teamwork and challenge the emotionals and challenge the social if they have conducted any face of problems related the careers and related the business related the job, they can understand and make a good team leaders and team players to achieve his success in your life. After that, IQ levels intelligence quotient means highly capable or God gifted, means someone so you know that very intelligence. Suppose that some persons born is born with very intelligence. That persons also highly capable to gifted individuals. That was also very attractive to any work and very interesting to work. Special individual with challenges. Don't wait to others work. Others persons also self-explain and go ahead self and by uh, self go ahead for growth your careers and challenge the job itself. Individual with challenge special needs, which are needs. Suppose that which I want to some work, I will go through and 100% achieve that work, especially by any by anyone's depend on that work will be completed. That IQ levels means like intelligence quotients and emotional quotients both are very fantastic and both are well collaborations toward the a safety professional. If you are going to improvement, if you are going to path through growth your careers, if you are a businessman, then both balance should be proper, so then we can achieve a careers and good growth of organizations. Relations between IQ and EQ and emotional quotients and intelligence quotients. Intelligence quotients mean inversely proportional EQ emotional quotients interacting with the others require applying cognitive ability because we need to navigate the social world understands to others persons. What is more importance of EQ and IQ? If anyone as per some identifications, some several study, emotional quotient is very fantastic instead of intelligence quotients because of emotional quotient is a very well management of teamwork, management of is develop his skills and this is a also democratic way to work and intelligent quotient also challenging itself to achieve the targets because of both are very fantastic to approach. If you are improve your careers, both balance should be there for your organizations and your professional. And if you have working any organization, then need to be follow that emotional quotient and intelligent quotient because of this is a part of growth by both of careers. Because of if you have no any emotional quotient, then we cannot that cannot be achieved to any targets because of some difficulties maybe comes. If you have a challenging itself challenging, may be proud of your work, sometimes sometimes feel that some persons. So both are communication, proper communications to achieve the any targets, achieve the success in your lives, achieve the your business good good growth, then both are important to grow. But emotional quotient is very fantastic to growth your careers. Thanks guys, today we have completed IQ levels and EQ levels. I was first aware, today I am watching the video, so I am also not understand what is IQ and EQ, but I am going to try to understand and explain that, so you can understand if you are a safety professional, if you are any professionals working in industry. So guys, need to be follow that if you are going to growth your careers, growth your lives. Thanks.